Ladies and gentlemen, it's really a matter of great pleasure to extend my greetings and good wishes on the occasions of the organizations of international webinar by Sinha Electro Homeo Anusandhan Kendra on a most potent and relevant titles, Turning Phase of Electro-Homeopathy 2020. It's also a matter of great joy for me to extend my thanks to the entire team of Sinha Electro Homeo Anusandhan Kendra in general and Dr. K.P. Sinha and Dr. Prabhat Kumar Srivastava for reposing their faith in me to address this august gathering. I was shocked and surprised when Dr. Prabhat rang me and asked to contribute some management thoughts during this seminar. I started pondering over the subject and was wondering how management and medical science can be combined for a fruitful outcome. Finally, I said yes to him and have a strong belief that once these two disciplines start working together, it may prove to be a lethal weapon and may take both the professions to a greater height. As far as my association with the organization is concerned, it's almost 2 decades old, and I have found that the organization is constantly working and always coming up with novel ideas and innovations. This organization has given new dimensions to the field of electropathy and has contributed in maintaining the standard of health and care. As far as my words of wisdom are concerned, it's very simple. Friends, my advice to you all is that think beyond patient. Normally what happens when a patient comes to you, the entire team rushes to the patient and the focus shifts to the disease. That's true and correct. But my dear friends, have you ever thought about the patient, about the pain and trauma the family suffers? I think when you defeat the disease, it's not only the patient who smiles, but the family and the society smiles together. My simple request will be to address this issue and make a mission patient and family should smile together. This will give you really joy and satisfaction. The success of any profession can never be attributed to a single factor, but its teamwork, which brings laurel to the institutions. Every unit of your team, like doctors, nurses, supporting staffs, all have to work in unison. I am sure at Sinha Electro Homeo Anusandhan Kendra, you all will have the required facilities in order to defeat the disease and bring smiles back on the faces of the family and the patient. This organization will look into inclusive care where every stakeholder will be equally and justifiably treated. Wish you all good luck. Thank you. Jai Hind.